So myself Raghavendar Reddy. So currently I'm working as a technical product manager in the company named Kult. Kult is basically a beauty platform. So there I'm working as a technical product manager. So basically my role involves the entire backend of the application. Backend means which is the integrations of all third-party applications, which is include the operations, at the same time payment gateways, Salesforce, Zoho, and the payment gateway. All these integrations has been managed by me. So basically my career started as a test engineer. So from there, I grasped the domain knowledge from the different domains. So I have expertise with the different domains like e-commerce, travel, and other domains. So which give me the broader experience about the products. Okay. Based on that one, I switched my job profile from the testing to the product management. So when I come to the product management is not an ordinary role. Okay, where we have to be more focused on the customer centric rather than the only the issue centric. Okay, when I'm doing this product management, I need the proper strategy of the application, how it has to be work, and then what is the customer expectation from the products, and how the strategy has to be built, how the roadmap has to be created, how the priority of the issues has been created. So all these are the very basic challenges which anyone come to new product management has to going to be face the issues. So some of the challenges I overcome with my experience, some of the challenges which I overcome with my knowledge of the product management course which I did from the XLRI. So basically, when it comes to the design thinking, so design thinking, we get the very good experience in the program, where how the design thinking has to be happen, how the collaboration between the teams has to be happen, and when the idea has to be ideated, and how the roadmap has to be created, how the idea has to be designed. All these concepts has been very broadly explained, which helped me to, whenever I am doing any small changes, so that give me the broader idea if this change is going to be impact, what are the areas and how the business is going to be impacted, what are the advantages business is going to be get with this one, what is the profitability of this particular change. So these are like when one change we are doing, previously it is just like a customer business has been asked the change we are doing the change, but after doing this particular course, my broader way of thinking has been changed. So I am started thinking from with this change, what is the profitability, what is the organizational profitability, what is the customer centric profitability, what is the business profitability. All these points has been come to me in my mind whenever I am doing any particular change. I have totally 3 rounds of interview. The first round is purely the technical round, where my technical knowledge has been tested with the current market trends. And the second round, when went for the second round, which has been the very interesting story altogether. When I went for the interview, the company which I am working currently, Kult, they are facing a very crucial issue, which is like they receive in a day they receive around 250 orders, and maximum orders has been stuck in the system. So that day I went for the interview, and the same problem which they are given me to explain the entire process for the solving the issue. Okay, where I use my entire experience of my previous domain expertise and my technical expertise and my domain knowledge and product concepts knowledge, and I give them the entire solutioning of the back end of the order management, where from the order initiation to the order last mile delivery, what are the steps has been to be taken, what are the risks, what are the checks and the validations has to be there in the system. Those workflows has been created on the go in the interview. The interview went for almost 3 hours. So I explained them each and every step and what are the validations that particular step has to be maintained, and how the process has to be flow, and then what are the integrations of the different systems like fulfillment system, at the same time the communication system and the LMS system, last mile delivery system, what are the calls has to be happen from the system. So all those points I explained very broadly, which make me to landed into this particular product management offer in this particular company based on my second round of interview, which is I cleared with a very good positive attitude over there. So basically, if anyone want to looking for the product management as a career, first thing they have to be more focused on the whatever may be in the day-to-day life which we are seeing, the not even a small object, they have to be seen in the form of the product manager, so that they can start seeing the each and everything has been, their perspective is going to be changed from the normal application to the product manager point of view. So that gives you a broader idea. So in my case, I have a so much communication with so many product managers. I connected with the managers in the internally. At the same time, I do some of the YouTube channels I followed to understand how the product managers are thinking, and even I followed the many of LinkedIn product manager groups, which helped me to get the knowledge from there, and I read the books specific to product management. So these all things has been giving me the idea when I landed to the product manager, and there these all knowledge base has been helping me to move my path has been smooth. But whoever is looking for the career in the product management, they have to be, once they take a decision as a product manager, they have to be more focused on the goal which they are put for themselves, and for that goal they have to be planned each step day by day, and every day they have to be plan proper knowledge, they have to be grasped from the different areas, and that is going to help them to go ahead and get the interviews. When they are attending the interviews, my suggestion is for the everyone, if you go for a first interview, make a notes of all the questions whichever may be come to in the question in that particular interview, and prepare the answers for that particular questions. And when you're going for the next interview, and what are the challenges which you face in the previous interview, overcome all those challenges and go for the next level of interview, so that you are definitely going to see the success in the path of the product manager career. Now, I have a very good experience with Accredian faculties. So even like the certification of Accredian, I have the very good value in the market. So basically the first point is the value of certification of the Accredian. And other thing is the faculties which they are onboarded for this particular course for the product management, they are very well knowledge, and they are the real-time product manager guys who are working for the top MNCs in the organization. We are going to get the real-time experience with them. So structural way of learning from the Accredian, okay? The course is very structured, and we get each and every class, because this is the online course. So every Saturday, Sunday, we are attending the classes. But the working people, normal day going to the college and attending class is not easy thing. So where that Accredian team has been facilitated for the weekend classes, that is the one of the best thing I can, for myself, I can learn this particular course. Yeah, definitely. So as a product manager, self-marketing is very important. So the self-marketing, we have the platform of LinkedIn. So when we connected with the multiple people, if you want to showcase ourselves, our skills and our knowledge, so LinkedIn branding is definitely help. So we have to create and we have to use the LinkedIn as a platform, and we have to connect with the different product management groups and the different product managers across the globe. So all those are going to be help, and based on that one, we are going to get opportunities with the different events where we can participate, and those events are going to help us to create a group communications, and that group communications are going to be built with the different circles. So all these are going to help to marketing. So as a product manager, marketing strategy, I have to know how to market myself. So anyone who want to make a product manager as a career, they have to do the self marketing. If I don't know how to market myself, then I am not a good product manager to be the product which I created is going to go well with the market. So that's what my point over there.